Eurasian collared doves is common resident bird of Padhri Game Reserve. Eurasian collared doves are monomorphic, which means that there are no visible differences between the sexes, although males have slightly longer bills. The breeding season for the collared doves is from March to mid-July. However, the male dove engages in courtship displays such as singing early in the morning, outside of the breeding season, especially during periods of time with a lot of rain and even during autumns. It's late March and warm day. Both are showing courtship dance. Both are involved in preening each other. Their diet consists of seeds including millet and corn.